Welcome to White Rock. Hi.
Hi.
We're at White Rock.
I mean, meow.
Meow. Meow. We're continuing our holiday tradition, right?
Right.
We're magnet fishing at White Rock. We are at the Cattails dock. What is it in here?
Never here.
We did find some lost dude from Alaska though, and he's gonna magnet fish with us.
We like
907. We'll keep you updated. Anything you want to say?
Meow.
Meow. I have a shirt.
I have a tail.
She has a tail. Meow.
We have a tail to tell.
All right.
Yeah, we've got cattails, and cattails. And tall tails.
And a cattail. Hers is better. Hers is a lot better.
I'll pull my tail.
All right, y'all stay tuned.
Time to glove up.
All right. So all you've got to whip it so far, Ashley? Okay. Stick. Modelo. Modelo. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure how. That's weird. Whip it number 2. Oh, I bet you that's a Corona. It's white. Yes.
Stick fast.
Here.
Throw it in the cattails. We got a pretty little fishy.
Oh.
Pretty.
I'll
Keep
keep
'em.
Yeah.
If you lure you in.
I still keep all these because I'm planning on cleaning them and like trying to see if I can make something artsy out of it. Because that's the shit I do. The trick is to make it look good without looking crappy.
Not looking crappy.
Yeah, without looking crappy.
Oh, I think I can catch this very careful. Just spread your legs. Oh, wait, that's for red tour. Sorry. Wrong channel. Like a glove.
And you on a log? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Wait, your magnet is still over here. I still see your rope. It won't. It's not moving at all.
Not at all.
Okay.
Moving.
Oh.
Go that way.
Huh.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not sneak attack this.
So 907's going for a road hump.
Looking to get home.
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna get it. Okay, you need to channel the power of Jacob from your shirt.
I know, right?
Oh, fish lure. Oh, that's shiny. It's like neon.
You like shiny.
Oh, yeah, that was a bunch of fishing line too. So, I think that's a real part. Okay, bottle cap. Bud Light. Oh, Victoria's Cerveza. Magnet fishing.
What is that?
Yeah, they're large magnets
Uh-huh.
on the end of a rope, and we chuck them in the water to see if we can get metal and clean up
Oh,
clean up the water, see what we can find.
I gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do y'all go to all sorts of places, or?
Yeah, and he's from Alaska.
Oh, wow.
He magnet fishes up in Alaska.
Huh.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
pretty
see
cool.
screws.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, lures.
Wow, and there's that much stuff down there, huh?
Oh, White Rock is trashy.
Wow.
Very trashy.
So do you usually just do it from like the docks, the shores and stuff, or do you ever go out?
We have not been out on a boat. Other people do.
Yeah.
He has a kayak.
I gotcha.
He rigged an awesome kayak up.
Yeah.
And he uses that up in Alaska, and it's an awesome kayak. And so people do magnet fish from boats.
That is a shotgun shell on the end.
You got a shotgun shell? That's a 410.
It's still loaded. I got a lumber tank.
You got a what?
A lumber tank.
Oh.
Light wood. For use above ground.
What? Attached to that again. I don't know what that is.
Oh,
There. Is that a second one?
Yeah.
That's not that one down there.
No, that was the second one. What is that thing?
You know the road lane dividers that are in the neighborhood? They're cast iron. We don't know why they're here.
People kids maybe throw them in the water.
There's a lot of them for people to be doing that, and they're at different docks.
So how much do those weigh?
We've always guessed about 30 to 40.
Yeah.
And that thing is that strong.
Yes.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Heather, I got you a hair clip. So pretty.
Oh, how'd you get that? With the spring?
Yeah, this little spring's magnetic.
Oh, you got a hair clip. That would be so pretty. Just go straight down there.
Right here?
Uh-huh. You should feel it latch on. And it seems
Yeah.
it kind of goes out
Yep.
too.
Probably a chair. See how it's sliding?
Yeah.
Could it be like a pipe or something?
A pipe or a chair, maybe. His channel is 907 Outdoor Adventures. He's in Alaska.
Okay.
Yeah.
North Pole.
North. Yeah.
North Pole. That's where I live.
Oh, I just latched onto something big.
Did you?
Kind of mini sneak
Got a pipe.
Do you?
I have a huge pipe.
And you cannot lie.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
Let it poop.
it's pooping.
She's heavy.
That is heavy.
Yeah, I did a bad thing and I sneak attack again.
Just don't go too far
It's a
back.
mini sneak attack.
Huh?
So what did you say y'all do with this stuff?
We just toss it.
We throw it in the trash can, or if there are scrappers we know about.
Yeah,
In fact, one of the other local guys, I might tell him there's some heavy stuff up here
I gotcha.
and see if he wants to come by and get it. Good job, Ashley.
Woo.
Thanks for stopping and talking.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Thanks, you too. He's determined.
I got a Jack Daniels cap.
You did? Jack Daniels. It matches your outfit.
Yep.
Look at 907 killing it.
907 will prevail.
Get a mic.
You got a mics?
Get a mic. Get a mic.
And a mic. Oh, what is this? It's got a Bud Light and the braided cable. Braided cable. Huh.
Well, it's just a cable.
But it's it.
Yeah, it's just twisted cable.
Yeah. Okay.
Just
Not braided.
little cable.
Okay. Hmm. Ooh. I think I got some shark bait weights.
Got one to add to the pile too.
Nailed it. Found a gun.
Shut up.
Yes.
Shut up.
Hmm. Okay.
That just looks like a toy.
That is the gun clamp.
This is the gun clamp, dude.
It is 22. Got it? You mean take it down here? Look at it?
Yeah.
Bring it closer.
I don't want to freak anybody out.
Scare them away. Who cares?
I don't want to freak Instagram out. That was just right up against this log that's right in front. That was like at the end of the log.
Elm 01314.
I'm gonna change my battery. Called Popo. At least I'm not wearing my security shirt today. Police, and this is not an emergency. We are out at White Rock Lake and we are doing something called magnet fishing, and we pulled up a gun with our magnet. I can't find the exact address, but we're at Chapel Hill Road and West Lawther Road or Drive. So, there's a fishing dock right there. My first name is Heather. Last name is Heikkinen. Thank you. Bye-bye. They didn't ask what I was wearing this time. What'd you get? What, like a bullet?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
9mm.
Whoa.
Wrong size. Not to yours.
Oh. See, everybody kept
I
telling
got
me.
a key.
Oh, you did?
Old
She got the
trusty
key to
one.
magnet fishing. Part of fingernail clippers.
I threw out.
I keep hearing. Do you keep hearing that too?
I do too.
Pat does that. And that's why. That's not you doing that,
No.
right? Just to fuck with me? Okay.
No.
Okay. Just checking.
I've heard it a couple times. I'm like,
Yeah. I wonder if it's somebody's phone. I bet it's these girls' phone.
they got trolls up under the bridge.
Maybe.
Oh, I got a condo. With
What?
eyes. Looks like a ghost condo.
What? What the shit is that?
Oh, we said no love without the glove. There it is.
Oh, damn, girl.
It looks like a little ghost. Boo! It is Halloween.
Oh. Oh. There you go.
No need to brag.
Helicopter!
I've been down there a while.
Yeah. Are you about to chuck it or chunk it?
Chuck it in the bucket. Say bucket.
There you go. Metal. Oh. So what would this be, Ashley?
Another big hooker.
We found a gun earlier. I was waiting for the cops. Yeah.
Put it out of my bucket.
It's in my bucket right now. It's in my bucket. Yeah.
On their way to come get it.
Yeah.
Top 2 last week.
Oh yeah.
Seriously.
Son of a geez.
It was just right out here. We found like payphones out here, knives. I don't know.
Heavy duty magnet.
They are. They are very heavy duty. Started this during COVID, then her and my other buddy joined, and he's from Alaska, but he magnet fishes up in Alaska. Oh, look at those shotgun shells.
Got another shell?
4, look at
Got
that.
another casing.
You got another casing too?
Yeah.
Good grief. She got a casing.
20 gauge.
Damn.
Don't you feel so safe with that?
Yeah, really.
Everyone's on.
I'm like,
Yeah.
they're from Allen. I'm like, let's go walk around the lake.
It'll be peaceful. Then you run into us.
I'm ready to go.
Did you do this in Alaska as well?
I do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, North Pole.
North Pole.
That's where I live.
Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
is it bad? Like this, I assume is a lot worse.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Their water's crystal clear.
Yeah. I usually fish in Fairbanks or a place called Cheetah Lakes in North Pole.
I'm just so intrigued. I'm like just watching them.
I don't know, that's fun.
Like, what else you gonna find? I don't know what I would do if I found a gun when I did that. I'd be like, oh my god.
The first thing is don't yell. Oh my God!
Yeah,
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Keep it to yourself. Keep it on the down low.
Muzzle control, you know, and treat every gun as it's loaded, even if you
Yeah, you don't know.
you don't know. Yeah. Oh, and some shotgun shells.
3.
Oh, damn, dude.
Fishing where I was.
I think he's throwing further out.
True.
I am.
It was like 3 times
Yeah.
as far as I
You never know what you're gonna pull up.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for
Yeah, thanks for-
introducing us to this.
You're welcome. Thanks for talking with us.
Yeah.
And
watch the YouTube channel. You'll see yourself in a couple weeks.
Pat said, who got the gun? Michael must be y'all's good luck charm.
That's up.
Not good luck.
Guess you can't leave. I got a whole set of keys.
What?
Like that?
She's over here showing us
Nissan.
a Nissan. At least it's not a Kia. We don't usually find Kia.
And their house key. Looks like they got a lock. And somebody, this looks like the bathroom key we use up at my campground.
It may have
So it's to
been.
somebody else's house, I bet.
Yeah.
Oh,
We got
no.
Magnifishing keys. Look, Ashley got the keys to Magnifishing again.
And a jiggly octopus.
Another jiggly octopus. Blah, blah, blah. There she is in her cat outfit. Chucking it in. That is your first whippet? That might be a good thing that they don't.
I could whip it just fine.
It's a hair bow! Ashley, I got you a new bow!
Yum.
It's right from White Rock.
You washed it, I'll wear it.
Oh, real part. Is it shiny?
No, but I feel very tense now.
You feel very tense. Release your tension.
I have the safety pin, but it's falling apart.
It's not very safe. Oh, there's our bread tie. 2 bread ties.
I found a couple too.
Button battery. That's not a log. That's dirty. I don't know. It does have rubber feet on the ends. Yeah, it was to some kind of table. Or something. Well, there we go. Whoa! Ooh. That is a hell of a knife. Why does it have a hole in it? I guess just right, just.
No, I think it's made. There's a couple in there too.
That's not a fillet knife.
Welding rod? No, maybe. I don't know. Bottle cap innards. Another Dos Equis. Yes, this is not an emergency. I called earlier to have a police officer come out to White Rock because we found a weapon and we have not seen anybody yet. What do you need from me? All right, they're coming to the house. They are very swamped.
I bet.
Yeah,
Prank calls and
yeah, they said it'll be hours. All right, here you go.
Maximum effort,
Maximum effort.
minimal, medium. You ready?
Ready?
set.
Ready to stretch.
Okay.
I got more rope.
We go. He needs some more rope. Look, he used all the rope. And
More shotgun shells, slugs, 20 gauge, and part of a catfish boat.
yeah. Well, this has been an interesting day at White Rock. Got the chair, got the road hump, got the gun, got the bread tie, got all the bottle caps, got shotgun shells. You got shell casings.
Pulling ankles.
Oh. Happy Halloween.
Meow.
Meow. We're done for the day. We did our holiday magnet fishing with Alaskan over there, 907. We found a lot today.
You got some pew pew.
Got some pew pew. The cops hadn't showed up yet, so I got to take it with me. Hope I don't get pulled over.
Can't take it with you.
Can't take it with me. No, so we went to Cattails Dock. This is the one that Wiz never wants to go to. What do you think?
It had some stuff.
It has potential. Yes.
We need to move some logs.
We need Wiz. He's our log mover.
Plays with logs.
He plays with logs.
An expert.
I think we might have to let this one marinate a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, there's still a couple road humps, and Michael found a whole bunch of road humps.
He out humped us.
Yeah. There's still 2 out there, he says, that are out there. So we'll have to be back, but we're going to let it marinate.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
Let it flood, let the logs move.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Maybe get off these.
Yeah. Yeah, she's still on crutches. Yeah. But she's magnet fishing. That's the important thing. And she's feeling good. All right. We have links to Kratos Magnets and Magnet Hounds down in the description. And like and subscribe. Thank you.
See you soon.
So it's going to be way too long for the police to come out to the lake. Evidently they're really busy today on Halloween. Go figure. On my way home, well, I called them and they told me just to bring it home and they would send an officer to my house. But then an officer called me and said, hey, if you want to drop it off at the station, you can do that. And he told me where it was. He didn't tell me where the door was. So I saw a cop in the parking lot and I'm like, hey, I got a gun in my bag. Well, no, I didn't say that, but said, hey, this is what happened. Where's the front door? Show me where the front door was. And it's like, he told me to walk in and I'm like, okay, there's a spider on my windshield, guys. What the actual fuck? He's on the inside. Well, that interrupts your video. But anyway, I took it in and they, right when I said it, like all the cops behind the glass were like, you have a what? I'm like, it's down here in this bag. So they came around, they took the bag and took it back there. And one of the guys was like, oh, I want to write it up. So he was really excited about writing up a gun I found in White Rock. But it is now with the Dallas Police Department and they don't have to come to my house. We didn't have to wait around at White Rock anymore. So that's the story of the gun. I doubt I'll get it back. Last weekend we turned in 2 guns. I'm still watching this damn spider. He's like on my Jeep logo. You gotta see the spider. Hang on. How do I, can I turn it around? I don't know. Look at the spider. See that spider? He is on the inside of my damn Jeep. Little freeloading bastard. Then he just, he crawled up into that. So one time I had piss ants, you know, those little piss ant things. That's what we called them. Sugar ants, piss ants in my truck. I was like 18. No, I was probably 7. No, I was 16. I was 16. How do you get rid of varmints in your house? You set off a bug bomb, right? Yeah, I did that in my truck. And the drug dog alerted on my truck for the rest of the year. That didn't dawn on me that that's what was doing it until after I graduated. Me and the spider are about to have a conversation. Okay, so, I can't find the body of the spider. If I all of a sudden have like a really big magnetic personality and I just like rake in all the good shit, it's that spider's fault. It's like a Spider-Man thing going on.